In today's fast-paced world, setting goals is essential for success. But not just any goals, SMART goals. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific goals are clear and well-defined. They answer the questions of who, what, when, where, and why. Measurable goals have concrete criteria for success, allowing you to track your progress and stay motivated. Achievable goals are realistic and within reach, pushing you to strive for excellence without setting yourself up for failure. Relevant goals align with your values and long-term objectives, ensuring that your efforts are focused on what truly matters to you. And finally, time-bound goals have a deadline, creating a sense of urgency and accountability. By setting SMART goals, you can increase your chances of success and turn your dreams into reality. So, take the time to plan carefully, be specific about what you want to achieve, measure your progress, make sure your goals are attainable and relevant, and set a deadline to keep yourself on track. Remember, the journey to success starts with a SMART goal.